Hi, I'm Donna, your Get Set Up guide. Have you ever wanted to journal or write about your life online to share with your friends and family? Then you might be interested in blogging. Blogs are online journals where you can share your ideas with others. Your blog can be about any topic that you are passionate about. You can blog or write about being a parent, grandparent. You can blog about your dog, or you can blog about the travels you've taken in your life. You can build your own community of people who have a shared interest with you. In this class, you will learn about how to set up a blog. What are the different platforms that you can use to run your blog on? You will learn how to attract people to your blog, and you'll learn about different ways that you can monetize a blog. A recent learner took this class and said, I've been blogging for 17 years, but I learned a few new things. So if you're thinking of starting a blog, come join our class, meet and connect with our learners, and have some fun.